BJP
I am least bothered about any other BJP leaders calling or anything. They created hateness, and they will try to divide the society. We always try to unite the society. See, there is a Sachar committee report which tells that 15% of the reservation should be given on welfare schemes to minorities. Earlier in the central government had appointed a committee and it is there. Now we have in various schemes we had given 10% of houses reservation to them. But what has happened in the rural parts of Karnataka? There are no minorities. All the minorities has been in the urban section. Some reaching 25%, somewhere 30%, somewhere 12%. So in the lapse, there were a lot of lapses of 10%. We did not have 10% of the requirements or the applications to be given in the rural places. That is why my minister has proposed it. He brought it to the cabinet, connecting even to the Sachar report. So instead of giving as only the rural section, we have made a unit as a taluk level, so that which includes the town, and then we are giving them this. Whatever the number will be same. Suppose if we give 1,000 houses or 100 houses to one taluka, that number will be same. But instead of giving to the rural, we are picking, since there are no applicants, we are picking from the urban sector.
Is there any taking rules and regulations about this reservation?
Yeah, because, sir, the opposition is calling it an illegal and unconstitutional.
What is that?
Is there any necessity to take any special meeting for this, because 10% to 15% increasing?
I don't know what you are telling or what is this comment. Whatever I have to communicate to you, I communicate.
So one more thing, there's another complaint filed